Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a menu in Elementor. To begin, you'll first need to set up your menu in the WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Appearance, then Menus, and click Create a new menu. Give it a clear name, then add your desired pages, posts, or custom links. You can easily arrange items by dragging and dropping them, even nesting them to create submenus. Once your WordPress menu is saved, open your page with Elementor and drag the Nav Menu widget into your design. Now that your menu is in place, let's make it visually appealing. Within the Elementor editor, select the Nav Menu widget. In the Content tab, choose the WordPress menu you just created. Then, move to the Style tab to customize its appearance. You can select a layout like horizontal or vertical, adjust the alignment, and choose from various pointer animations for hover effects. Experiment with colors, typography, and spacing to match your website's unique design. Beyond basic navigation, Elementor allows for advanced menu features. With Elementor Pro, you can create powerful mega menus, displaying multi-column layouts with images, text, and other widgets within your drop-downs. You can also add icons to individual menu items for better visual guidance. For site-wide consistency, use the theme builder to design and apply your menu to headers or footers across your entire website. Consider third-party add-ons for even more specialized menu options. A crucial step is ensuring your menu looks great on every device. Elementor's responsive mode allows you to preview and adjust your menu for desktop, tablet, and mobile views. For smaller screens, enable a toggle button, often a hamburger icon, to collapse your menu, saving space and improving usability. Customize its size and colors for a seamless mobile experience. Once satisfied with your design and responsiveness, save your changes and publish your page or header template to make your new Elementor menu live.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.